All right, freelancers, listen up. If you're tired of shelling out hundreds each month on AI subscriptions just to keep your business running, I've got some seriously game-changing news for you. Google just dropped major upgrades to 4 of their free AI tools, and together, they form what's being called the Zero-Cost Stack Protocol. Trust me, this is about to save you a ton of money, while actually upping your game. Let's break it down. First up is Gemini 3.1 Flash, Google's latest language model. It's not just fast. It's ridiculously smart, and you can adjust how deeply it thinks. Need quick copy for a landing page? Or maybe a detailed report for a client? Gemini delivers, and you don't pay a cent in subscription fees. Seriously, $497 a month savings. Right there. But we're just getting started. Next, check out Nano Banana 2. This isn't your average image generator. It actually scours the web for real visual references, creating your image. That means everything you generate is way more accurate, more relatable, and, well, just better. Plus, 4K resolution, expanded aspect ratios. It's like having your own design team, minus the cost. Now, for my researchers and content strategists, Notebook LM is a total powerhouse. Imagine this. You upload your client's research, and Notebook LM kicks out infographics in any style you want, instructional, editorial, slick scientific charts, you name it. And you control the detail from snackable social media graphics to super dense professional reports. Your clients will think you've got a whole data team behind you, but it gets even better. Google Stitch is here for all your design and mock-up needs. Just describe what you want, and you'll get UI layouts, app mock-ups, or full website designs in a snap. You can tweak every detail with direct edit mode, see exactly how it'll look on any device, and export it straight to your workflow. Quick client approvals, polished deliverables, and yeah, still zero subscription fees. Here's the secret sauce. These tools aren't just great on their own. The magic happens when you connect them. Output from one is input for the next. This is the Zero-Cost Stack Protocol. It's a seamless production pipeline, compounding value every step. And maybe the best part? You don't need to be an expert designer or coder. These tools are made to be accessible so anyone, yes, even if you're flying solo, can offer top-tier service. So, if you're a freelancer, agency owner, or you run a small service business, mastering this stack isn't just an upgrade, it's a competitive advantage. Lower your costs, boost your margins, and deliver results that make clients wonder how you do it. You want to crush your AI costs? Gemini 3.1 and the Zero-Cost Stack Protocol are your ticket. Try it.